The all-virtual CES 2021 unveiled a lot of innovative products and technology. Hi, I'm Shantanu from AIM, and today we are going to take a look at our top 5 AI-based products that were showcased on CES 2021. Starting off the list with Samsung's AI-powered household robot called Bot Handy. Bot Handy is a robot with a robotic arm to offer help around the kitchen or living room by picking up objects of various sizes, shapes and weights. It can set dining table, pick up clothes and put it in the laundry and load up your dirty dishes in your dishwasher. The tech community was surprisingly positive about this announcement, as Andrew Gebhardt from CNET labeled Bot Handy as a robot butler.
So, it's a robot butler. It'll be able to help you unload your dishwasher or pick up the toys if your kids made a mess. And it's kind of the Rosie the robot I'm looking for. It's still a concept.
While Lew Latter, a tech expert of the YouTube channel Unbox Therapy fame, said that it looks quite innocent and harmless.
I mean, look at this thing. It's kind of friendly too. It's definitely not as intimidating as the Boston Dynamics stuff. Somehow, maybe because it rolls around, maybe because it's so off balance that you know for sure if you kicked it over, it could not get up.
Bot Handy is perfect pandemic tech unveiled at CES 2021, as Sebastian Seong, head of Samsung's R&D hub, said, "Our worlds look different and many of you have been faced with a new reality, one where among other things, your home has taken on a greater significance." UbiTech, a firm that creates intelligent humanoid robots with AI technologies, have announced their new editions of AI robots at CES 2021. These robots include a UVC disinfecting robot called ADIBot and an intelligent logistic robotic system AMR. The disinfecting robots leverage UbiTech's AI expertise with a UVC technology to sanitize targeted surfaces. The highly comprehensive AI platform provides the most intimate human-robot interactive experiences. The robots are available in stationary and autonomous models and have powerful disinfection capabilities with 99.9% accuracy. They are priced at $20,000 to $40,000, which is very less than their industrial counterparts. So it is adequate for small businesses and schools. It has received some criticisms from the tech experts, such as its price, which is a tad bit higher for even schools and small businesses. Also, there will be a lot of work required by somebody on site to make sure everything gets properly disinfected. Plus, having a giant robot in your school might be intimidating for the kids. Mercedes-Benz unveiled its 56-inch in-car AI-enabled display unit called Hyperscreen. The biggest ever built in Mercedes, this Hyperscreen leverages the built-in artificial intelligence with context-sensitive awareness that learns the user's usage and promotes features and controls according to their needs. The entire display unit is powered by 8 CPU cores and 24 GB of RAM with AI-powered user interface. The Hyperscreen will be presented with the new release of Mercedes in spring of 2021. According to an article published in /Gear, Mercedes-Benz surpassed every announcement related to the automobile industry, including BMW's next generation iDrive that was also announced at CES 2021. While L'Oreal debuted at CES 2020 with their prototype skincare system, this year, they have unveiled an AI-based lipstick device which creates the shade of lipsticks according to your preferences. The AI-powered lipstick device is designed to generate a new lipstick shade at the command of the customers. It uses color cartridges and a trained AI-based system to create thousands of bespoke shades of lipstick with one touch. The device comes with an app to select the shade. The product costs $299 and is available for pre-order under the YSL brand. An article published in The Verge terms this product as a financial masterstroke. The article suggests that YSL can bank on the fact that people will need to re-up these cartridges directly from its line, guaranteeing that the customers stay loyal to its lipsticks and keep paying the company. The chessboard maker Square Off have announced their rollable chess computer with an inbuilt AI opponent. The company has also launched 2 new chess boards, namely the Square Off Neo and Square Off Swap. While Neo is affordable, lighter and faster, Swap has been touted as the first of its kind multi-board game with an automated device which lets players take advantage of several games in one platform. The company uses Telerobotics to manufacture the automated chess boards where players can either play against human opponents worldwide or an AI opponent. The device is slated for release in March 2021. Co-founder and CEO Bhavya Gohil said, Square Off is all set to revolutionize board game across the globe and 2021 looks very exciting. We are working round the clock to deliver Neo and Swap to our backers at the earliest. He added that the portable and globally connected rollable chess computer will revive how chess is played. So these were our top 5 AI based product announcements from CES 2021. Comment down below which one is your favorite and you are most looking forward to. Also, do not forget to subscribe AIM's YouTube channel so you never miss any other update.